So I have a question from Gus from New Mexico, and it says, Candy, how long should my balayage take? Well, Gus, I gotta tell you, it takes a while to get fast at painting hair, but don't get frustrated. Don't give up. I know that there's foilers out there that can foil hair behind their back, no doubt. Ultimately, your goal is to get your balayage paints down to about 20 minutes or less. I know that might sound wow when you have really long hair, but I promise you, once you get that consistency of product, your brush stroke, and the saturation, you'll be able to minimize the time that it takes you to do a paint. Think of it for one moment. Wherever the energy lives in your haircut is what you're going to identify and paint. So for you, you must be willing to step away a bit and not overpaint the hair. Most balayage artists tend to overpaint their paints. So for me, my advice would be, Gus, that you try not to overpaint and you try to cut down on your time by identifying those peaks and valleys.